Hello and welcome. My name is Vakile. In this tutorial we are dealing with triad progressions, and I have shown you that in the major scale we have major triads, minor triads and a diminished triad. Now just to reiterate, this is a recap. On the first degree you have a major triad, on the second degree you have a minor triad, third degree is a minor triad, fourth degree is a major triad, fifth degree is a major triad, sixth degree is a relative minor triad, and seventh degree is a diminished triad. Okay, in the key of G you have G major, A minor, B minor, C major, D major, E a relative minor, and F sharp diminished. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to mix the minor and the major. Now we're going to do a simple progression there. There's so many progressions that you can come up with, but I'm just picking the just simple ones to demonstrate the inversions here. Now let's work out here in the key of, in the first, we're doing a progression of 1 2 1 3. This is my G in the root position, and this is my A in the root position. All of them are in the root position. You can play with all of them in the root position. There's no worry, because they're near each other, these ones. So, and the third is this one, which is B. So this is G, A, B. So this is your B. So you can actually come. So this is Y1, 2, 1, 3. That's a very common, it's a very beautiful progression, that one. 1, 2, 1, 3. Very beautiful progression. Okay, and let's go to this second inversion of, which is this one here. Now in this you'd like to locate you can do them linearly, which is pretty good as well. We're using a linear position here. Now this is your G, and this is your G, and this is your third. Okay, so they're all in the in the first inversion there. Now you can put them in this second inversion here. Your G there, and your A minor, and your D, your B minor, sorry. So G major, A minor, B minor. Okay, so let's play that sim. Okay, so that's the progression there, the triad progression. when you start applying techniques, things start heating up. I'm muting it. You know, you can look at the fingers. I'm lifting my fingers so that I can produce that percussive sound. Okay, now that was the second inversion. So we have played with these in the first inversion, in the root position, sorry. And we've gone to the first inversion. So 1, 2, 3. We've gone to the second inversion, which is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's beautiful. It might be useful for you to practice this. This is a very important progression because you can actually do this from the root position. Let's start from here. First inversion, 1, 2, 3. That's a major, minor, minor, and right there you go to if you place your finger there, that's the second inversion. Right there, if you place that on, that's G in the root position. You know, then you start all over again. Now that is a very useful thing because you can see the 1, 2, and 3 are just, they are contiguously distributed, okay, on the fretboard. It's a very good observation because you go. Sorry. And back to this is the third here. Back to this one. Back to this. Okay, so that's nice there. So which means you can. So you can play throughout the fretboard. You're doing that because of the nature of the progression, which is contiguously arranged on the fretboard there. Very beautiful one. Thank you very much for watching this one. In the next program, I'm going to show you how to mix the major, the minor, and the diminished. Cheers. Bye.